Hello everyone, welcome to the finale of Cameo Woods Grand Tournament 2.0. Previously, you've seen the semifinals where Devarshi, Apoor, Saida, and Aditya have qualified, and today they will be on their run for winning this tournament. One will be winner of the tournament in general, and one will be a winner, one probably a winner out of this on the fun points. So on the fun points, till now we have Anshuman with 14 points on the lead. Whoever scores the highest by the end of today's round will be the winner on that particular aspect. So we'll just start off with the rules and then the quiz. So the rules are just like always. The participant should not be allowed to use a virtual background that has the answer to the question. In this case, Apurva is in the clear. There'll be 10 marks for every correct answer, and it passes on to the next person if the first person, the directed question, is not being answered. So once everyone tries it, does not get it, after the second, there'll be a second round where I'll be giving a hint. After that hint, if you get the answer, you'll be given 5 points. The questions will be passed in the cycle Aditya, Apur, Devarshi, and then Saida. After the first half of 10 questions, we will be reversing the order. It's Saida, Devarshi, Apur, and Aditya. Your humor-based answers are encouraged because that will be the right answer. So may the best quizzer win. All the best to everyone. We start today's quiz with the first direct for Aditya.
I'm so glad Aditya is here, so I don't have to be the first.
I'm actually nervous among all you champs.
So the question is, construction of the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway started in 1879 and the railway track reached Ghum station on 4th April 1881. Until 1878, the journey from Kolkata to Darjeeling took 5-6 days using a steam engine pulled train, then crossing the Ganges by steam ferry at Sahibganj, and then using bullock carts and palanquins to reach Darjeeling at the end. In 1878, Siliguri was put on the railway map of India, cutting down the journey to 2 days from 6 days. All of this and the scenic beauty of the route has become the highlight of the entire part, and somehow this particular railway station, Ghum, is known to be popular for one more reason. What is this? What is the reason?
Okay. The station and not the trains themselves. So it can't be one of the toy train thing, right?
I can't gratify every thought of yours, no? So that's it.
Yeah, I was just trying to. Okay. All right. So. Okay. Is it the place with the first narrow gauge train, toy train?
Good guess, not the right answer. Going to Apur.
Yes, ऊंचाई ऊंचाई वाला है क्या? इज दिस द हाईएस्ट ट्रेन स्टेशन? मतलब ऐसे सबसे ज्यादा ऊंचाई पे होने वाला ट्रैक?
That's your final answer.
या
Brilliant. It is the right answer. It is the highest railway station of India at 2257.65 meters. With this, Apur opens his account with Home Station, and the next direct goes to Devarshi. X is a weekly public journal. As a public journal, it prints official notices from the government. It is authentic in content, accurate, and strictly in accordance with the policies and decisions. It is published by an office in Nirman Bhavan, New Delhi. Ordinary editions are regularly published weekly on a particular day of the week, whereas extraordinary editions are published every day depending upon the urgency of the matters to be notified. Identify X.
Is it the Indian Gazette?
I'll give you a chance to improvise on it.
Okay. So Gazette is there. National Gazette?
I won't be anal about it. It is the Gazette of India, which opens Devarshi's account.
Oh, so not Modi ji's Twitter.
No, unfortunately, not yet. So Gazette of India gets 10 points into Devarshi's account, bringing the next direct to Saida. ephedrine, acetone, anhydrous ammonia, HCl, iodine, lithium, sodium hydroxide, phosphorus, toluene, and chili powder. These are the ingredients to which self-taught chemist's signature product. Aditya Show knows the answer. He's just waiting for it to get passed.
Yes.
I haven't. I don't think I've watched it so much detail. Is this Walter White?
I'll give you a chance to improvise. You're on the right track.
Oh, acha, that young boy. I don't know.
Jay Shah?
क्या
नहीं कुछ नहीं.
क्या बोला?
I said Jay Shah.
Like, he is more likely to be consuming it than making it because of his father.
Before every press conference.
Yeah. I don't know the name of the character, man. It's that other young boy, maybe.
Then I'll have to pass it to. I mean, you've gotten the track right, so I'll give you part points, but I'll have to pass it to Aditya.
Jesse Pinkman.
Brilliant answer. It is Jesse Pinkman.
Ah.
So I'll be giving 5 points to Saida and 5 points to Aditya.
Phew, not a 0. That's all I wanted today.
All the winners, all the finalists say the same thing.
कितना humble मतलब भाई.
So with Jesse Pinkman, Aditya got 5 points, bringing the next direct to Apoor. X is a company. It got its start in 1974 when New York Institute of Technology's founder, Alexander Scher, who was also the owner of a traditional animation studio, established the Computer Graphics Lab, CGL, and recruited computer scientists who shared his ambitions about creating the world's first computer animated film. Edwin Catmull and Malcolm Blanchard were the first to be hired and were soon joined by Alvy Ray Smith and David DeFrancisco. Some months later, which were the 4 original members of the CGL, located in a converted 2-story garage acquired from the former Vanderbilt Whitney estate. I want you to tell me what is the name of the company that is X.
Hmm. 74. Okay. I'm just going
So
to.
obviously, CGL became something that is X. That is what we know as X today. So CGL came up in 74. The name X came into existence later.
I'm just going to wild guess Pixar.
Brilliant answer. It is Pixar. Pixar
Oh,
before Steve Jobs had anything to do with it. So Pixar gets 10 points for Apoor.
I'm
Bringing
sorry,
the next.
मेरा खाना आ रहा है. Just a second ना, मैं उसको बोल देता हूँ. 24 नंबर. हाँ रख दीजिए. Thank you.
So I was going to pause, but okay. Going to the next direct for Devarshi. Blank is a cooking technique used in Asian cuisine in which ingredients are treated briefly in fats to activate essential oils from cells and thus enhance their flavor in a dish. What is this technique? You can tell me whatever it is from whichever language you prefer, as long as I know the language.
Whose is this?
Devarshi.
Also, when you say Asian, matlab kaun sa portion of Asian?
Asian. It's actually not only Asian, but it was primarily Asian, so that's why.
Is it?
Did you say
Is it
something?
flambe?
Not flambeing. Good answer, but unfortunately not an Asian technique primarily.
दारू डाल के जलाते हैं ना उसमें तो
Yeah.
बेसिकली
Going to Saida.
From cells, matlab? What cells?
Cells. The cells that you see under the slide in AIMS. Three x, 5x, 10x, and then your hi-fi microscopes, which have multiple
100,
like
100x,
100x.
400x. Uh, I don't know. I don't know cooking techniques. Braising? I don't know.
Is that a final answer?
Should it be my final answer? Yeah, that's my final answer. I don't know.
Not freezing. Going to Aditya.
No idea. I thought someone else would get it by now. So it's not the daru thing, right?
It's
That-
not.
Okay.
हॅलो बोला कुठे आले तुम्ही
All right. So all right. Curing. That's
Good answer. Not curing. Going to Apurv. खाना आ गया?
अरे यार क्या चूतिए है लोग बिल्डिंग में आया और उसको फ्लोर नहीं मिल रहा है 4 फ्लोर का बिल्डिंग है मतलब
That's what
इज
she
इट
said.
सॉटे सॉटे
Not saute. We'll go another round. Now this basically, when I like simplify this entire statement, the ingredients that I'm talking about, they are spices,
फक ओके सॉरी
and the fat that I'm talking about, it can be any vegetable or animal fat. Spices and herbs, basically, they are treated so that the cells get activated and the flavor switches into the fats as well. So we'll go another round with Devarshi.
But did Apurv figure it out? And we're just
Yeah,
waiting
yeah.
till it gets it. Okay.
I
Apurv
don't know.
opened his dabba and figured it out.
Is it tadka?
Brilliant answer. It is tempering or tadka.
Nice. Nice.
Nice.
My question would have been, is this what you do when you're making canna butterfat? No. Canna
A
butter?
little bit. Yeah.
उसको तो डबल बॉयलर बनाना पड़ता है ना प्रॉपर
हाँ वो जल जाएगा नहीं तो। ये देखो रोलिंग टबैको हैज स्पोकन with this answer going to Devarshi. The next direct goes to Saida. The first horse-drawn X in India ran for 2.4 miles or 3.9 kilometers between Shialda and Armenian Ghat Street on 24th February 1873. These are 2 points in Calcutta. The service was discontinued on November 20th of that year. It's like Thanos snapped and half of the Last Supper just vanished. So 20th November that year, the service was discontinued, after which the CTC was formed and registered in London on 22nd December 1880. The meter gauge horse-drawn X tracks were laid from Shalda to Armenian Ghat via Bobazar Street, Dalhousie Square, and Strand Road. The route was inaugurated by Viceroy Lord Ripon on 1st November 1880. Identify X, which was once also regulated. X is basically a mode of transport, which was also regulated by BEST or BEST in Bombay.
थोड़ा questions समझाओ यार, I'm too stoned to understand this one.
So basically, a mode of transport was established between Shalda in Kolkata and Armenian Ghat Street, and this mode of transport was first horse-drawn. Later on, it was discontinued. CTC, a corporation named CTC, was formed and registered in London because it was colonial times on 22nd December 1880. After which, a meter gauge horse-drawn track was established for that transport. There were tracks laid down from Shalda to Armenian Ghat Street to Bawbazar Street, like via Bawbazar Street, Dalhousie Square, and Strand Road. And the entire route was inaugurated by someone. And this same thing, the same thing that CTC was doing, Best also used to do. I just want the mode of transport.
Horse-drawn. It is, huh?
Yeah. Sorry, what did you say?
Horse-drawn, na? नहीं.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why I'm thinking of like a train-like structure, but can horses draw such a huge? What is it? I don't know, like a train cum carriage. That's
Will
my
that-
answer.
So not a train cum carriage. Going to Aditya.
Tram?
Brilliant answer. It is the tram or
ट्रेन तो बोला था यार.
ट्रेन और
She
ट्रैम
is
में
close.
फर्क होता है.
फील अलग है ना.
हाँ सही में. नहीं फील एकदम सेम है.
So Calcutta Tram Corporation (CTC), Bombay Electrical Supplies and Trams is Best. That later on became some
shit.
buses. So
Oh.
Oh, I didn't know.
the T in Best is for trams. So
Oh.
Oh, I always thought it was something transportation.
transportation, I used to think the same, but then my mind opened after watching Chachi Char shows. So bringing the next direct to Apur, Charles Michael Levine.
How? Not Aditya?
Aditya answered trams.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
हाँ, तो खाना आ गया तो ध्यान भटक जाता है. चार्ल्स माइकल
खाने
लेविन.
की वजह से नहीं भटक रहा.
Charles Michael Levine was born in Plainview, New York, to a Jewish family. His father, Robert, opened a luncheonette that did poorly, which caused financial problems. After graduating from high school, he attended State University of New York at Potsdam, dropping out after 2 years to pursue a career as a songwriter. During his 2 years at college, he according to him, he quoted this, majored in rock and roll and pot and minored in LSD. In 2011, he admitted to drinking heavily in his past, telling Entertainment Weekly that he led a dissolute youth until 47. He was in recovery at the time. Substance-related issues are also a recurring theme in his work, which famous TV writer, also called the king of sitcoms, are we talking about? So Charles Michael Levine is his name, but we know him by a more popular name when it comes to sitcoms.
अमेरिका का एकता कपूर. This is Chuck Lorre.
Brilliant answer, and I'm really offended that you compared the two. So
Just like the body of work. मतलब इतना बनाया है बंदे ने. Like
Chuck Lorre, Levine
Visionary.
changed his name to Lorre. Brilliant answer. Brings 10 points into Apur's account, bringing the next direct to Devarshi. X is an EDM group. The group officially formed in late 2008, were placed at number 10 on the DJ Mag Top 100 DJ poll 2011, and have been called the faces of mainstream progressive house music. While being credited for setting the tone for the EDM boom of the early 2010s, more than any other act in modern dance. In 2012, they were ranked at number 12 on the DJ Mag Top 100 poll. On 24th June 2012, the group announced they would split up. Their final performance was at the Ultra Miami on 24th March 2013. And on 25th March 2018, the group reunited with a surprise closing set at the 20th anniversary of the Ultra Music Festival in Miami, Florida. Identify X, the name of the group.
Is it Swedish House Mafia?
Brilliant answer. It is Swedish House Mafia. Which means 10 points for Devarshi. And the next direct is for Saida. Now, this term was coined by the CIA, commonly used more broadly to refer to an area of approximately 950,000 square kilometers that overlaps the mountains of the three adjacent countries. Meeting at the confluence of the Ruak and Mekong rivers, it is believed to be the largest methamphetamine producing area in the world, with a modest sized geographic area with highly concentrated production. So it's not because the countries are too big, it's basically because within that limited space they produce in a very huge amount. So I want you to tell me what is the term that is given to the specific region that we're talking about, which is near the Ruak and Mekong rivers and produces meth.
I could be very wrong with this, but is it the Golden Triangle?
Brilliant answer. It is the Golden Triangle, the region between Myanmar, Laos, and Thailand. So Golden Triangle gives Saida 10 points. And the next direct
बनाते यार
is for, sorry,
इधर ही बनाते हैं, बोला पास में. अच्छा है.
bringing the next direct to
So,
इसको बोलते हैं यूपी.
what's the other one called with Afghanistan and everything? The other
Golden Crescent,
Yeah.
very area specific.
So हमारे दोनों साइड में.
One day delivery.
इधर भी बना देना गोल्डन लोटस बनेगा हमारे कंट्री में.
We have the quadrilateral.
But that is not for the production of anything. It's just the
Exactly.
distribution. The next direct is for Aditya. Blank is a man-made city founded in 2006, spread over 10,000 acres of hilly terrain in the Sahyadri Hills of Western Ghats. It is about 23 kilometers from Lonavala, 87 kilometers from Pune, 120 kilometers from Mumbai. This particular township has an airstrip that stopped functioning in late 2016. It has an average annual rainfall of 4,000 millimeters from June to September. Marketed to India's super rich, the city was developed in 5 phases, and it was designed and master planned by Gruen Bobby Mukherjee and Associates in the year 2003.
Why?
I don't remember this, if that helps a bit. So it's something that starts with an A, I think. I remember cricketers talking about some.
Back in
You know the answer, no? Apur?
2006, all the cricketers were talking about this only.
Please
Yeah.
take your time, Aditya, please. आ जाएगा तू.
Bhai, I'm struggling. Oh. The only thing that comes to my mind is ambipure. That's just wrong on so many levels.
वो रील बनाते ना, I am this close वाले.
I'll have dreams about this like a week from now, 2 weeks from now, but I could have got this. Fuck. Something Valley.
Would you give me a final answer?
Am I at least close with the valley?
That's why I'm asking you for a final answer. You're on the right track.
Okay. Okay.
Trust your instincts. Channel your
Ouch.
inner Yoda. Come on.
Dude, everyone needs a support like you, but um, um, Big Valley.
Okay, you know what? You've actually mentioned both the parts, and you've not just
Yeah,
mentioned them
Yeah.
together. So I'll give it to you. It is Ambi Valley.
Motherfucker.
So Ambi Valley by Sahara.
you came back.
Ambi Valley by Sahara. That's why all the cricketers were talking about it because they were the sponsors back then.
Right.
With this,
Okay.
we come to the
घटिया
first.
जगह घटिया जगह.
So that is why the airstrip stopped. That is the that was the inner hint, a meta hint inside that, because now everything stopped there.
Yeah. पेपर में
So
ऐड आता है बस पैसे वापस दे देंगे सॉरी.
So we've reached the first half. Now the order will be reversed. Saida, Devarshi, Apurva, and then Aditya. The next direct is for Saida. It was commissioned by the British newspaper The Times in 1931 and conceived by Stanley Morrison, the artistic advisor to the British branch of the printing equipment company Monotype, in collaboration with Victor Lardent, a lettering artist in the Times advertising department. It has become one of the most popular typefaces of all time in print and in digital. What are we talking about?
Apurv knows this, right?
I think I do.
Yeah.
Only going by the Times involvement is the Times New Roman.
Brilliant answer. It is Times New Roman. Times New Roman gives you another 10 points, bringing the next direct to Devarshi. Now, chaat is a term describing savory snacks, typically served at roadside tracks from stalls or food carts in India, Pakistan, Nepal, and Bangladesh. However, X is perhaps the only chaat in the world that is entirely sweet in taste and is a fine delicacy of northern India. Available only during the winters, X is sold in the cold mornings as its production and sustenance both require dew. Dew as in not mountain dew, dew as in वो सुबह सुबह जो निकल जाता है. Identify X.
Is this some pretentious thing? Like कोई जाके due collect कर रहा है just to make this
नहीं
happen?
नहीं 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 वैसा कुछ नहीं है.
So it's a delicacy of a particular city.
Not necessarily. Basically, it is available in many places throughout North India.
Okay. So I'll have a stab at it. Is it the beetroot chaat?
Not the beetroot chaat. Going to Apurv. Mute. Now you put it on mute.
Is this jalebi chaat of some sort? Sorry. This
Not
is
the jalebi chaat.
अरे यार I know this. ये मैंने देखा था वो Fox Traveler पे. Fuck. It's some word और उसका चाट. मतलब obviously,
Most of
but
the chats are like that only.
yeah, but there is. I remember key. Something key chaat. यार. Wait. The दौलत की चाट.
Brilliant answer. It is Daulat
दौलत
ki
की
Oh
चाट.
fuck!
हाँ.
Daulat ki chaat.
I can
also
give you two more names for this. Will you give me
Makhan
points
Malai.
for it?
No, Makhan Malai and some other shit in UP.
Nimish. we call it.
Nimesh. So basically,
Oh,
this is the
yeah.
original deal, but this is not the original deal. This is the gourmet version, which is served
GT.
at served at the Indian accent for 725 rupees. The same thing is available in Chandni Chowk for 50 rupees. So
महाराष्ट्र में भी निमिष बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
जिन जिन को पता है कि थोड़ा मलाई वाले दूध को फेंटोगे तो ये निकल जाएगा, दे ऑल मेक इट. तो
Yeah,
Daulat
they
ki
do.
chaat. Apurv gets 10 points for Daulat ki chaat, brings the next direct to Aditya.
What's the story behind this? Why is it Daulat ki chaat? Just asking,
Yeah.
like,
Rich. It's very rich, no? It's made out of cream.
okay, yeah, makes sense.
So the next direct for Aditya is Blank is the market leader for laboratory glassware and microwavable kitchenware in India. It was established in 1962 in collaboration with the Corning Glassworks in USA. In 1988, Corning divested its shareholding to the current Indian promoter. The name of this company, Isni, was derived from the elements that they worked on. Fill in the blank with the name of the company.
Borosil?
Brilliant answer. It is Borosil, boron in silica. So Borosil gets Aditya 10 points, bringing the next direct to Seda. The name is probably an anglicized form of El Lagarto, the Spanish term for the lizard, which early Spanish explorer and settlers in Florida called the creature. Later English spellings of the name included several other versions before landing onto the name that we use today for the creature. What is it?
Oh,
So when I know that you know, I can relax. Because I don't have to worry about the question anymore.
This is not the lizard. Uh, uh, it sounds similar. Alligator.
Brilliant answer. It is alligator. Alligator gets 10 points for Seda, bringing the next direct to Devarshi.
you missed a chance to say see you later, Saida. What is this?
So for Devarshi, this is Betamax, also known as Beta, is a consumer level analog recording cassette format of magnetic tape for videos. It was developed by Sony and was released in Japan on May 10th, 1975, followed by the US in November of the same year. During this period, there was a constant video format war between Betamax and Blank, in which the latter eventually won. What was the second format called?
It's the VHS.
Brilliant answer. It is the VHS or video home system. VHS. She's getting all the abbreviated answers like SHM and VHS. Bringing the next direct to Apur. Owned by Crown Media Holdings Incorporated, X is an American paid television cable channel, which in turn is owned by a gift items company. The channel's programming is primarily targeted at families and features a mix of television movies and miniseries, originals and acquired television series, and lifestyle programs. What is X, the name of the channel?
So definitely not HBO. Gift items company matlab Hallmark. Is this Hallmark?
Brilliant answer. It is the Hallmark Channel. So, Hallmark And the next direct is for Aditya. The following list have a common link. However, the movies Agnikal, Soldier, Race 2, and Machine have another unique link that the others don't. What is that second link?
What? Ooh.
Yeah. What indeed?
Okay.
Soldier wo that Bobby Deol film with Preeti Zinta?
Yeah.
Wow. I haven't thought about that one anymore.
Acha, you don't want the obvious link. You want the
Yeah,
separate
less
link.
obvious. Yeah.
Let's start with the obvious link. What is the obvious link?
That if you want to tell me, I'll give you fun points for that.
मैं बताऊं
बोल ले मतलब obvious link के so
obvious link is Abbas Mastan, bro.
yeah.
Oh, right.
All
Okay.
these are all movies by Abbas Mastan.
Right. The obvious link. Sure.
Oh, got it.
They were all remakes of another Hollywood film.
Abbas Mastan remake. Right sides लेना ऐसा सब नहीं होता.
You need to explain the statement a little bit more. Which ones are remakes?
Oh.
What is the answer proper?
Oh, okay.
I want what is unique about Agnikal, Soldier, Race 2, and Machine.
Fuck. Okay. All of these have the same name in English, maybe translated or something. Because I know Soldier was a different film, but or kuch nahi socha.
Okay, not the right answer. Going to Saiba.
But he was close.
I couldn't. I mean, the statement was very vague. It was nowhere near.
Oh, what was this vague statement? Can you say that again?
Neither confirm nor deny.
Yeah.
You're not a lawyer, right, Aditya?
No.
Or PR? Okay.
No.
So he said that they were remakes, but that's a vague statement. Hannah.
Everything that he said was not very specific to what I'm looking for.
Are you like humming a hint that you all missed out on?
क्या बोले spectators पे?
No, they also don't have the answer. Why not?
Oh fuck. Shit. Now I think I'm wrong.
I don't know. I'm just going to say that if they were not the remakes, then Hollywood remade these.
Wow.
Oh,
Confidence.
Ambitious. Wow.
For
Yeah,
that,
one can hope.
Faith in Abbas Mastan.
I'll give you fun
Exactly.
point for that.
Yes.
Coen
But-
Brothers ने remake बनाया इसका.
Yeah. Actually,
So-
Fast and Furious is inspired by Race 2.
You don't get double points for 2 jokes in 1 question.
I do. Just give.
Going to Devarshi.
Pass.
Kapoor.
तीनों का amazing soundtrack था. Just saying. Also not directed by Abbas Mastan.
Is that a final answer that these 4 were not directed by Abbas Mastan?
Yeah, written by them but not directed.
Not the right answer. We'll go another round with a hint. Now, the hint is that all of these movies are directed. These are all the movies in which Abbas Mustan specifically directed the film. And uh, there's something which is what Aditya said about movies being copied, movies being remade, movies being inspired from. That is somewhere close, but I want the specifics. There's something very specific about it. So we'll go another round with Aditya.
यार कोई रेस टू का प्लॉट बता दो.
Twists and twists.
Revenge followed by revenge, followed by revenge, followed by revenge, followed by a fake
Also
death,
backstabbing,
and
also
revenge,
backstabbing,
and
and sexy
finally
song.
a girl turning out to be a gold digger. That's it.
I mean, I've
Also-
seen this film with
Yeah,
another
yeah.
name.
Of
If
course
not,
you
you've
have.
seen Tanmay reacts. He had to do two parts of it.
Okay, remakes of
Duhai hai.
they also remade some action scenes from other films, copying those specific scenes.
That like Alan Amin does it everywhere, so I can't give it to you for that. Not the right answer.
Okay.
Going to Saida.
कितनी
Okay.
बार वो Die Hard का हेलीकॉप्टर सीन कर चुके सब.
Yeah.
It's my turn.
Yeah.
They're the remake of the same film.
Of the same film. Okay. Good guess. Not the right answer. Going to Devarshi.
Are these the only films which aren't remakes?
Brilliant answer. These are the only
Arey,
which are
wow.
not adapted, inspired, or made from other movies. So Devarshi gets 5 points for Abbas.
Original work.
Are you
Wow.
serious? Wow.
Yeah. So Race was a copy, but Race 2 was original.
कौन बना सकता है ऐसा?
Mm.
So this brings the next
What
direct to
film was?
Apu. Yeah, go
Okay,
on.
what film was the one with this is our business is our business
Race,
scene?
that's Race 3, which was
Hey.
directed by Remo D'Souza.
That is Remo. Remo.
Okay.
So they said कि नहीं अब तुम original script ला रहे हो तो we can't go with you. So they switched the directors.
Okay.
That is how tips works.
So
So
Race 3 is a remake?
yeah, every race movie. I mean, it's remake as in it's inspired like first 15 minutes from this movie, 15 minutes from this movie, 15 minutes from this movie.
Race
That is
3
how you
is
make.
Bawasir.
Yeah, that is how you make hemorrhoids. You mix a lot of things together. Bringing the next direct to Apoor. Also, Apoor, just to let you know, you're doing very good on the fun points.
हो गया.
How close is he to 14?
इतना थोड़ी बताऊंगा मैं. The dollar sign is a symbol
Okay.
consisting of a capital S crossed with one or two vertical strokes used to indicate the unit of various currencies around the world. Despite being the primary currency in the North American continent, the symbol actually derives from another theory, as it was supposed to represent another currency X as it appeared in American, Canadian, Mexican, Spanish American, and other British business correspondence in the 1770s. I want you to tell me what other currency was it actually supposed to be used for, where it did not.
Oh, okay. Mexican, Spanish, American, Canadian. मतलब डॉलर साइन दूसरे किसी करेंसी का सिंबल है, वो कौन सी है जो 1770s?
होने वाला था during the 1770s, but did not, and rather the word dollar came in, and then the sign was adopted.
मतलब गैलियन वैलियन नहीं होगा, विजर्ड्स थे तभी, बट फिर इज इट पाउंड?
Good guess, but not
कॉलोनी?
pounds. Good guess, not pounds. Going to Aditya.
Is it related to the Spanish pieces of eight that silver boom ke time pe?
Can you give me a more specific answer?
That was all I could reach to, but okay. I cannot remember the name.
You're on the right track.
I know they were made of silver is all I know, but can't get more specific than that.
Okay.
Sil-
Uh,
um, Yellow said, is there a Spanish word for silver? Anyone take high school
आदित्य तो
Spanish?
वर्ड पे आके अटक जाता है ना.
Concept points that they don't. I have no idea. Seville something. I don't know.
not the right answer. Going to Seda.
The word he was looking for was sickle. But is it peso? The Spanish peso.
Brilliant answer. It is Spanish peso. The S in the dollar sign was for Spanish
Yeah.
peso. So I'll give 6 points to Seda for pesos and 4 points to Aditya for the concept.
Thank you.
Bringing us to the next direct for Devarshi. A BBC described academic research that indicated that X are refined and sensitive, keen on poetry and books, and not big on drugs or antisocial behavior. Teens often stay in the subculture into their adult life, so the transition happens in that subculture, and they are likely to become well educated and enter professions such as medicine or law. The subculture carries on appealing to teenagers who are looking for meaning and for identity. The scene teaches teens that there are difficult aspects to life that you have to make an attempt to understand or explain. Tell me the name of the subculture X.
I'll pass.
Going to Apur.
Hippies?
Not hippies.
That drugs.
Yeah, I was kidding.
Okay, you have a better answer?
No, I was going to say nerds, but
Not nerds.
Fuck, I really thought it was nerds.
Going
Okay.
to Aditya.
Punks.
Not hunks. Seda.
और कौन टीम रखा है?
okay. Maybe.
Stay in the subculture and enter professions such as medicine or law, so तो एक कोटा भी हो सकता है. But this sounds like a very Japanese thing.
Hmm. Oh.
I may be completely off. I don't know. मतलब मुझे नाम तो नहीं पता. But all I'll guess is there's something in Japan.
Okay, not Japan or Japanese. We'll go another round with Devarshi. Now, this is nothing to do with Japan. It's a subculture, as in it has basically teenagers, they tend to adapt to this kind of a lifestyle where they tend to uh, uh, deviate themselves from becoming more social, more outgoing. They keep to themselves, they focus on uh, things like poetry, books. But because of their reserved nature, people tend to understand or misunderstand that they are now involved in drugs and antisocial behavior. So that is what it is. And if I say anything more, it will be very much obvious. So we'll go another round with Devarshi.
Also, ये कहाँ subculture है? ये तो जिंदगी है.
एक में दो नहीं मिल सकते फल पॉइंट्स प्लीज. सईदा स्टॉप डूइंग दिस.
पहला कहाँ मिला? कुछ नहीं मिला.
अपूर्व हिसाब रखता है किसको फन पॉइंट्स मिले कितने.
ऑफ कोर्स
So
ऐसे तुरंत दिखता है आदित्य से नीचे जाके कर रहा है कुछ तो लोड.
are
That's
Apurva and
also
Saida
what she
close?
said.
डोंट आंसर दैट आदित्य प्लीज.
That's a real question. That's what we want to know. Hmm.
Okay, so with their appearance, it seems as if they're on drugs, but in reality, they're not.
Drugs, daru, ladki bazi and all
Yeah.
that thing, all those things that are stereotyped.
लड़केबाजी भी हो सकती है.
मैं उस तरफ जाना नहीं चाहता ना. खराबी लड़कों में ही होती है.
So this subculture is more of a Western construct.
अदरवाइज बीबीसी क्यों अपना हाथ डालेगी.
Does it entail lot of tattoos?
ये मैं एक्टिनेटर नहीं हूँ भाई. Yes, these are
These
genuine
dots,
Akinator questions. Does it have tattoos? Do they do drugs on the road?
are these, is this the goths?
Brilliant answer. They are. This is the Goth subculture. Goth brings 5 more points for Devarshi. And
and
which
geeks.
brings the
Yeah, I'm disappointed you didn't pick the one from IT Crowd.
I had more. I mean, I had more ideas on which one to pick, but oh fuck, I could have used that one. Yeah. So, which brings the last question of today's quiz to Apur. The African plate, Antarctic plate, Eurasian plate, Indo-Australian plate, North American plate, Pacific plate, and South American plate. These are 7 plates as they are known. But what do these plates represent?
खाना. I don't know. Are these like वो समंदर पे तैरने वाली प्लेट्स ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं जिससे पूरे कॉन्टिनेंट्स बनते हैं वो प्लेट्स.
Even in Hindi, this wouldn't have been the right answer, so I can't.
Oh, shit.
So we'll go to Aditya.
Fuck, I thought he was right. I was thinking tectonic plates, but that was his guess. So, did you take his guess as tectonic plates or
No, he'd never used any word.
okay, tectonic plates?
Brilliant answer. It is.
अरे यही तो बोला था मैं. यही बेसिक
यही बोला था actually,
was
उसका
the
आधा बोलना
word?
चाहिए.
Where was the word tectonic? So I'll give
Tectonic
Concept के लिए दे
I'll
दे.
give 9 points to Aditya for tectonic, and 1 point to Apur for the concept of tectonic.
Thank you.
So this brings us to an end of today's quiz. I'll just have to check the scores once.
Devarshi has won, I think.
Dude, I always think Devarshi is like a
Apurv.
Wikipedia.
Apurv.
Dude, Devarshi is scary, okay? I've seen you like answer everything.
Yeah, he had an answer to everything.
Okay, so we don't need a tiebreaker again, and we have a clear winner. So Saida today lands with 41 points. Devarshi ends up with 45. Aditya has 48 points, and today's winner with 51 points is Apur.
Ooh, yay.
So
Nice.
Apur wins the second edition
Wow.
of the grand tournament.
I did not think I was winning. Holy fuck.
So very close competition between everyone. On the fun points front, I'm a little skeptical to announce it this way, but there's a tie between Anshuman and Apurv now with 14 points
Oh,
each.
damn. Nice.
So yes, both of you will get a token for that. And with this, we come to an end to the second tournament. We'll be back soon. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and fuck off. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Thanks,
Thank you so
Aditya.
much. Bye bye.